just today, and I thought I would open them up and we'll see what we got. This one is from Leslie. Leslie's Lucky Finds. Now, I haven't bought a whole lot from her, but what I have, I've liked. So, I don't remember what I bought, as usual. So, we'll see what we got. It's all taped up real good. There's bubble wrap on the inside, too. Okay. I do. I think it's house shoes. Mm-hmm. The trash. Look at all that fine bubble wrap. I will reuse that if it's not bub. It's not busted. I like bubble wrap. I use a lot of bubble wrap myself. Sure, I had a hard time getting into this, didn't she? Looky there. Nice, pretty house shoes. Those will make a fine Christmas present. I might keep them. You just never know. Okay. Let's see what else we got. We got one from Pig. Oh, R&R Finds. Robert and Randa. What did I buy from Robert? I think it was owls. I think it was owls. I think it was owl salt and pepper shakers. Let's see if I'm right. Robert likes to tape as well. And I thought out, how cute. Come down there. That box. Might need that. Alright, what else did I get? Oh, there's Katie's little thank you notes. When you buy from Katie, she writes you a little thank you note with and draws a picture of herself. So that comes in your packages. Buy from Katie. Oh, this is from Rhonda, aka Shadow Woman. Now, it's generally lots of tape. Everybody likes tape. Lots and lots of tape. Brooches. Oh, there. Oh, look at that cute. Out earrings. Earrings for days. Okay. Alright, well that was it for today. I got a package from Leslie's Lucky Finds. She wrapped them up really good. And Robert and Randa from Robert's Ride Along. And Rhonda from as Shadow Woman. And good day. Thank you very much. We will see you on the flip side. Bye.